Hello everyone. We need an Arduino UNO board, a push switch,
It's tied tunes on the truck.
a 220 ohm resistor to protect an LED,
breadboard, a TBS cable and jumper wire.
Now, let's move to the wiring connections. Now let's connect all the components. First, connect the positive leg of the LED to digital pin 7 of the Arduino through a 220 ohm resistor. Connect the negative leg of the LED to the ground pin of Arduino. Now for the push switch, connect one terminal of the push switch to digital pin 2 of Arduino. After completing the wiring, check all the connections properly. Now let's upload the code. Now let's understand the program. First, we define the pins. The LED is connected to pin 7, and the push switch is connected to pin 2. A variable is used to store the LED state, which helps in turning the LED on and off with each button press. Now upload the code to the Arduino UNO. Now let's test the project. Press the push switch once, and the LED turns on. Press it again, and the LED turns off. Each press changes the LED state. This is how a push switch can be used with Arduino UNO to control an LED.